How to use MyCase legal document storage properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. MyCase is a powerful tool for storing and managing legal documents, but beginners often make mistakes that can cost time, security, and even case outcomes. The first mistake is not organizing files properly. Many users upload documents without creating folders or naming them clearly. Over time, this makes finding contracts, pleadings, or client files frustrating. Use a consistent naming system and categorize documents by client case or document type. Another common error is neglecting version control. Legal documents frequently get revised. Saving multiple versions without clear labels can lead to confusion or using outdated files in court. Always date files and indicate the version in the file name. Many users overlook security settings. MyCase allows role-based access for team members. Failing to restrict access to sensitive files can expose confidential client information and create compliance issues. Always review permissions carefully. Neglecting backup procedures is another pitfall. While MyCase is secure, relying solely on a single storage platform is risky. Download critical files periodically or integrate with a secure cloud backup to prevent accidental loss. Finally, some assume uploaded documents are automatically ready for sharing with clients or opposing counsel. Double-check formats, redactions, and permissions before sharing to avoid errors or privacy breaches. To use MyCase legal document storage properly, organize files clearly, maintain version control, manage access carefully, back up important documents, and verify sharing settings. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll keep your legal documents secure, accessible, and compliant.